Little storyteller.
Puffy was a little penguin with fluffy black and white feathers. He loved to waddle and slide on the shiny ice near his home in the snowy South Pole. The ice sparkled like a giant clear mirror under the bright sun. Today Puffy was having extra fun zooming and whooshing across a particularly smooth patch. Suddenly, as he slid, Puffy saw something sparkly down below the ice. It was a glittery, rainbow-colored shape frozen deep inside. Puffy stopped sliding. He waddled closer and peered down. "Wow!" he squeaked. "What could that be?" The sparkly thing looked like a treasure. The ice was too thick for Puffy to get to the treasure by himself. He knew just who could help. His friends, a group of playful seals. There was Sammy, who had big round eyes and a whiskery smile. There was Shelly, who was very strong and loved to push things with her nose. And there was Simon, the silliest of them all, always ready for a game. Puffy waddled quickly to where his seal friends were basking in the sun on some nearby rocks. "Sammy! Shelly! Simon!" Puffy called out, flapping his little wings. "I found something amazing under the ice, but I need your help to get it out." He told them all about the sparkly treasure he had seen. The seals were excited to help their friend. They wiggled and wobbled their way to the patch of ice. Puffy had shown them. Shelly, being the strongest, started to push against the ice with her smooth gray nose. Sammy and Simon helped by flapping their flippers against the frozen surface. Puffy cheered them on. "Push harder, you can do it," he called. The seals huffed and puffed, their sleek bodies working together. Slowly, the ice around the sparkly treasure began to crack. With one final push from Shelly, a large chunk of ice broke away. Puffy waddled over and looked down into the small pool of chilly water. There, sparkling brighter than ever, was a beautiful rainbow-colored seashell. It shimmered and shone with all the colors of a sunny day. Puffy carefully reached into the cold water and picked up the seashell. It felt smooth and cool in his flipper. He showed it to his seal friends. "It's amazing," he said happily. Sammy, Shelly, and Simon were just as excited. They all admired the pretty colors of the frozen treasure. Puffy decided that the beautiful seashell was special enough to share. He broke off small shiny pieces of ice that had frozen onto the shell and gave one to each of his friends. Now they all had a little sparkling treasure to keep. They learned that even though the seashell was frozen and hard to reach, working together made it possible to uncover something wonderful. And sharing that wonder made it even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.